Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get this Dress to Impress tag on your Discord profile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to join Dress to Impress community on Discord. You can go to this menu, Discover, and then you're going to search for the Dress to Impress community or Dress to Impress server. Just type in Dress to Impress like this, and then you can join this community. Okay, here I have already joined the Dress to Impress server, and after you have joined the Dress to Impress server, you can click on this option, and here you will see the server tag option. Click on that, and you can click on Adopt Tag. Okay, and I have already adopted the server's tag, and after that you can get this Dress to Impress tag on your profile. Wait, let me show you. Okay, this one. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get the Dress to Impress tag on your Discord profile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.